KHB-29 in Charleston.
This is NOAA weather radio station KHB-29 in Charleston. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles.
Extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Extended it for another hour.
2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending
Yeah, they extended it for an hour, for another,
I'd
say,
moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 35 knots or greater.
this was issued
Source,
very late.
radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Keepers Island Buoy, Joe Schaefer's Reef, Y-73 Reef, Keepers Reef, Bull Breakers, Charleston Nearshore Reef, Edisto Offshore Reef, Keepers Midshelf, Cape Romaine Reef, Air Force Reef, Jimmy Whelan Tuck, Low Country Anglers, Comanche Reef, Kiowa Reef, South Santee River Entrance, Hector Reef, Charleston Coastal Anglers, Charleston 60, Doug Mellich Reef, Rattlesnake Show. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is NOAA weather radio station KHB-29 in Charleston.